Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Friends, today I am here with very beautiful and trending collections of floral printed sandals which are in fashion, and these designs are very popular with breathable styles. Here you will find one of the stunning collection of different beautiful newly launched floral printed sandals which are best for casual and formal wear. Block heel, wedge heel, pointed heel, all different designs of heels are also included here in this collection. Please watch the video till end so that you can go through all the designs. With the help of these collections, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which sorts of designs are very popular and when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the best and perfect collection for yourself. Peep-toe style slingback design long heel is best design and very popular all over the world among ladies. The colors of these sandals is also very beautiful, pretty and bright. Wet style sandal is best designed for girls. Style, comfortability, practicality and simplicity, all these features you will find here in this collection of different sorts of floral printed footwears. Such types of sandals are best for creating unique type of styles in your personalities. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and your taste. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for it, means to say hit the like button. I am sure that you will admire this collection too, like previous collections. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of very beautiful, stylish, updated collections and new arrivals of footwears and dress designing. And press the bell icon too for getting notification of new uploads. If you want to ask something regarding this collection or want to suggest that what you see want to see more in my channel, then you can use comment section for this purpose. This is the only way you can use to connect with me and show your presence there. I always appreciate your comments and try my level best to reply. Sling bag, bag clothes, zipper bag, peep-toe style, long heels, all different beautiful designs are included here in this collection. Floral printed sandals designs is hot favorite design nowadays. Girls and ladies love to wear such type of beautiful floral printed sandals with their different types of outfits like pants, jeans, bottoms designs and printed dresses. Sling bag, zipper bag, bag open styles of these sandals with chunky styles of heels, platform soles, wedge styles trending going on nowadays. The colors of these sandals is also very beautiful and bright. Low heel designs are best for casual wear and long heel designs are best for casual wear. Flip flop slingback design is best designed for all age group ladies in summer season. Wedge style sandals are best for summer season and look so stylish and trendy. These designs are walk friendly and foot friendly too. Different age group ladies find attraction in such types of designs. In this collection you will find round toe, square toe, pointed toe and peep toes, all best designs. I hope you love to see these collections, and if you like these designs, please thumbs up for it. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too. Thank you so much.